second visit to Cantagallo. Interview with the director of the Cantagallo school. Reviewing the tasks of the children of Cantagallo. Little Nia completed her homework, so she will receive her cosmic lunch box. Little Nia eating the bread with chicken from the cosmic lunch box. Little Giovanna eating banana from the cosmic lunch box. Talking with little Nia and Xenia about their lives. Talking with little Vladimir about his life. Interview with Flor and Julia, mothers in charge of the dining room. Guided tour with the director of the school, the president of APAFA, and a teacher.